Hello, good morning, you guys. I'm starting this vlog off, gracing you with my beautiful morning face and hair. It's just beautiful. It's like 9:30. What time is it? Let me see what time it is. 9:30? Is it? Let me see. 9:31 to be exact in the morning, and I thought that I would film today because I mean really it's just like an everyday errand day, but I wanted to film it because I enjoy watching this type of content, and I find that I try to film a day in my life vlog literally like every week, and then I'm just like, well, who would be interested in watching this? I just stopped filming, and I don't really like that I stopped filming because truly when I think about it, this is the type of content that I enjoy watching. It's just like somebody's everyday life. And I don't know why I'm so hard on myself, you know? So anyways, we're doing a little day in my life vlog, just kind of my day off and what I'm doing. I'm basically just doing what I always do, which is like clean a little bit around in my room, run some errands, go to the gym. And today I'm actually doing my sister's hair again, which you guys really liked that video when I posted it. So I'll do a few clips here or there of me doing her hair today. So I just wanted to film my day, kind of document what I do on a typical Thursday day off. I'm trying to put you guys down actually because I just consumed a very large amount of coffee and I am very shaky. I'm like so shaky right now. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to look somewhat presentable. Normally when I go to the gym, I don't really like care what I look like at all really. But today, because I'm running a few errands around and I'm also getting my nails done, by the way, this is what I have. I always like to document what kind of nails I have because then sometimes I'll like look back in videos to get some nail ideas later on in life. But anyways, I'm getting these done again. So I think I'm just going to do like chrome, but different color on both hands. My nail tech always hooks it up. I wanted to show you guys what my boyfriend got me. He got me these really pretty like holographic roses. They're like I don't know what material this is. It's like a plasticky type of material. So that way obviously they're not real, so they can last forever basically. And then he got me this really pretty like boho jar. I was like, this is literally me like in two different forms, like holographic, beautiful, like eye-catching, and then like very bohemian. Like he couldn't have picked out anything better. But anyways, I will link because I can't think of the name of them right now, the company, but I found them on Instagram and then like he just bought them for me. So I'll link the company down below because they're really pretty and definitely like perfect for like background videos and stuff. So I'll keep this alongside like with the background that I've been doing lately. And then he just wrote me a really pretty note. I love it. Just a nice like little added touch. Oh, I definitely need a dust, ignore that. To my little like shrine thing that I got going on. And these. I just kind of want to like sit down and talk to you guys about this like a little bit, mainly for like my own sake of like sanity and stuff. I just want to hear myself talk, I guess. I don't really know, but lately I just feel like I've been struggling with my like personal style, I guess. I mean, this isn't anything crazy serious. This is literally first world problems, but it's just been on my mind. I definitely have been like very active in the sense like in the gym a lot and just like focusing mainly on fitness, which is definitely something that makes me really happy and definitely helps my mental health. But when it comes to like how I view myself as a person, I definitely struggle with the whole idea of being athletic, I guess. I don't even know like what to consider myself. I definitely don't consider myself like a fitness girl. Like I just don't really view myself as that type of person. I'm definitely a very big like girly girl. Like I love to dress up and stuff, which like obviously who cares, but at the same time like my creativity definitely stems from like looking nice and like getting ready. Like I mean, I love getting ready. I know I've talked about that on my channel so much too. Like the act of getting ready definitely inspires me. I feel like when I'm not in my most like best form, I definitely lack a lot of confidence. Confidence is something that I've struggled with basically all of my life. So to go out in public like this, I just don't feel like it. I just don't feel like myself. And I really have been struggling, I guess, as far as like who I am. I don't know what personal style that I want to be when it comes to that stuff that I'm drawn to. I just don't like it. Like I just don't like buying yoga pants. I'd rather buy like fucking crazy ass flare jeans, you know? And then I find that it's hard for me to wear that stuff during my daily life. So it's like almost a waste of money. And I'm really trying to be more conscious of my spending. And it just kind of all goes in this full circle. And then I start to get anxious and feel stressed out because I have no idea who the hell I am as a person. Also, on top of that, I'm a hairstylist. So half the day I'm wearing black, like solid black. And I can dress that up and I do feel dressed up sometimes, but other times I feel like I definitely get very dressed down, which also uninspires me. So it's just been a very weird time of my life, I guess, because like now I am able to create my personal style, whereas like several years ago when I was younger, it was basically like whatever my mom wanted to buy me. But now that I can afford my own stuff, I'm like, well, I don't even know like who I am. Do I like chic? Do I like designer? Like sometimes I like that, but then other times I'm like, no, like thrifting, love it. And then other times I find that thrifting is hard for me to find my personal style because you're just basically going and grabbing more giant t-shirts from the men's section. I don't know. How do you find your personal style? Like I definitely take inspiration from different types of people, but those people are like all different types of styles. So I really just, I don't know. I don't know who I idolize anymore, and I don't know what I like. I like it all, I guess. It is now 11:11. That's crazy. I'm waiting for my nail appointment, which is at noon. I'm just about to get some Starbucks because I'm trying to waste some time, and my boyfriend's sister got me a Starbucks gift card because she knows my coffee obsession is real. So shout out to Jillian if you watch this, love you. I just went to, did I spit? I think I just spit. Sorry. I went to Michael's craft store to get this giant poster. What is it called? Poster frame. The frame itself costs more than the freaking poster, which is insane to me. But I got this Kobe Bryant poster for my boyfriend, and I want to frame it really nicely for him because he has no decorative pieces in his household. I'm trying to get better at vlogging in public, but it's like really scary. There's like a woman in her car next to me, and I don't know. I don't know how like YouTubers do it. Like there's this one YouTuber I watch. Well, they're married. Actually, I love them. I've been watching them a lot lately. It's Julia and Hunter Haven. I've been watching them a lot lately, and I really like their vlogs, which are basically just like their daily everyday life, like just married life, I guess, and I love it. But they are like not afraid of vlogging in public literally at all, and it's like, I don't know how they do it. Like they will just whip out the camera like at the grocery store and they don't even care. Like I would be so embarrassed. Anyways, so I'm going to get Grace and I, what am I doing? I'm looking for this gift card. Grace and I a coffee. Then I'm gonna go over to Grace and I'm going to bother her. That's what I like to do with my nail tech. She's like my best friend. I just got this new pineapple matcha drink from Starbucks. I didn't really want a coffee, so I wanted to try something different. I am not really sure. The girl suggested to get like extra syrup or something to make it like super sweet. I don't know. So Let me try it really fast. Let me see. Okay, not bad, not bad. I definitely can taste the pineapple in it. So if you don't like pineapple, I wouldn't suggest this, but it's kind of refreshing. It's really nice. I don't know. I'm hard to judge this kind of stuff because I'm not really picky as far as like things go. This is hard. Are you sure that you're gonna Yes! Just finished at my nail appointment. People are definitely watching me talk to myself. This is like slowly getting easier over time, but I'm still struggling. So I just finished up my nail appointment. Let me show you. I got 2 different colors on my hands, and then chrome, and then some gems because I always need gems. So here's one hand. I'm obsessed. I literally love this. And then here's the other. It's blue. We love this color. I'm obsessed. Love it. Okay, so now I have to go to the gym. I really don't feel like it, so I'm probably just gonna make it a quick little gym excursion. And then I have to go pick up some hair product for my sis. This is a very long errand day, I feel like. I swear, literally every single time that I try to the gym, like literally something so simple, all of a sudden everybody else wants to like crowd around me and make it like nearly impossible for me to get like a single clip in. It's the craziest thing. And it happens every single time because I try to film these types of videos all the time, and like I don't know what it is, but like people crowd around me. Like it's really weird. And I'm not one of those that'll be like, oh, like people stare at me at the gym. Like I'm not one of those, but like dead ass, like people like, I don't know if like the energy that I put out like allows people to feel like they want to like follow my lead or something, but every single time I go to the gym, like people want to do literally practically the exact same thing that I'm doing. I'm like, I'm not even a very good like role model because like literally I have no idea what the hell I'm doing myself, so don't watch me. Like literally don't watch me. It is 3 o'clock at this current moment and I'm freaking exhausted. I've been out running errands since like 11, so I'm pretty tired, and I just want to get home and like get cleaned up, so I'm just gonna grab this stuff really fast. It's not running to me, and then let's see if I can park with one hand, and then gonna do my sister's hair. So I'll probably check back in with you guys when what the fuck is this person? Oh, they're waiting for this. I literally like, yeah, I gotta go home soon because it's gonna be like rush hour soon. Like not rush hour, I feel like rush hour is like 6, but like school time hour kind of like stems it a little bit, and people get on my goddamn nerves driving. But anyways, ta-da! Kobe. May he rest in peace.
Bob, what do you take for back pain? I apply topical pain relievers first. Salonpas lidocaine patch blocks pain receptors for effective, non-addictive relief. So there's a bunch of almonds in every bar of Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. Don't believe it?
Hey, my sweetie. Hi, bro, my sweet little boy. Yes, we're going up the stairs. We're going up the stairs. We're having a good day going up the stairs.
We know how to get you the most money possible.
Days, nights, weekends.
You have a lawyer.
And well-being, your family relationships, your functioning in the here and now. But
I feel like that as I watched you interview him, there's some real errors in terms of his logic. And by the way, this is not the first time I've seen something like this. And I think one of the first can be happier and fulfill his mission.
I would think this would be something you would very much want to put in your...
By Thursday night.
I'm not trying to force...
Yep, and I'm gonna eat some spaghetti too. Some more spaghetti.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe 2050, if I can do that.
Are you gonna go to Moonrise?
I would like to go to Moonrise.
Did that lineup come out?
I don't know if the Moonrise lineup is out.
I saw something that was like, it's coming. But like,
Well, it's they released that they're doing 3 days instead of 2.
oh shit.
Moonrise is getting big.
Here's my double chin. I try to hide it with my hair, but as you can see, can't do that right now. My head's
It's
perfect.
a lifestyle.
My perfect.
It's a lifestyle
Circle.
choice to have the chin, and you're here for it all the time.
When your head's a circle, what can you do?
It's an aesthetic that a lot of people aim to be.
I look like a boy. Help.
This entire vlog, I feel like I have looked very scary, but whatever, can't always look good, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, what you guys just saw was me doing my sister's hair. I posted a video a long time ago of me going like whole in depth of what I did, and you guys really liked that, so I just thought I would show me basically refreshing her color a little bit. We just did like half and half of the colors that we've already done. It is around 11:30 now. I think I'm actually going to wrap this vlog up for the night. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm really proud of myself for holding myself accountable and filming an entire day of my life. This is literally what I do on my days off. And I don't know, I just thought that it would be nice, mainly if nobody else is interested, and then for my own sake to kind of like look back and see what I did on March 4th. I think today's March 4th. So this is what I did on March 4th, 2020, or March 3rd. It's gotta be March 4th. I think it's March 5th. It's March 5th today. So this is what I did on March 5th. There we go. If you do like seeing more vlogs from me, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, because I'm definitely doing a lot of trial and error videos to see what you guys like versus what you guys could do without. So I would kind of hope that you guys enjoy vlogs, just because I want to do more of them, because I enjoy watching that type of content. But regardless, let me know all down below. With that being said, I thank you all so very much for watching. If you have watched it all throughout and you have made it here, I love you all. Leave a winky face in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.